Now to our coronavirus coverage. Health leaders in Sonoma County are expressing concern tonight over rising COVID-19 cases. The county reported 5 new virus-related deaths today, and that makes it the deadliest week since early March. It was also revealed today that dozens of people at a homeless shelter in Santa Rosa tested positive for the new fast-moving Delta variant. KRON 4's Dan Thorne is looking at what health experts are saying about these troubling developments. He joins us live in the newsroom. Dan?
Well, Catherine, county health leaders say of the 5 deaths, all were men. 2 were over the age of 65, 2 between the ages of 50 and 64, and the other was even younger, falling between the ages of 18 to 49. Most of the recent deaths in Sonoma County involved people who were not vaccinated, which has been forcing health officials to push for residents to get the shots as the Delta variant continues its spread. Despite making good progress on their vaccination campaign, Sonoma County continues to be threatened by COVID-19. County leaders say there's been a recent increase in cases and hospitalizations, and there remains a significant risk to people who have not been vaccinated.
What's important to emphasize is that nearly all of our recent COVID cases, hospitalizations, and deaths have involved unvaccinated individuals.
County Public Health Officer Dr. Sundari Mace briefed residents about 5 new COVID-19 deaths on Friday. 4 of the 5 were unvaccinated, but 1 was fully vaccinated. Dr. Mace says the man was over the age of 90 and had pre-existing conditions, putting him already at great risk. What's becoming increasingly concerning is seeing new cases and positivity rates doubling in the county. Hospitalizations have also grown to worrisome numbers.
We currently have 44 individuals in the hospital with COVID, including 13 in the ICU, the highest number of ICU patients since February.
As of Friday, 25% of Sonoma County's population have not received a single dose. The recent surge may encourage the unvaccinated to get a shot.
The numbers are trending in the wrong direction. We know how to end the pandemic. It will take enough people getting vaccinated to achieve herd immunity, as we've said all along the course of the pandemic.
Well, at this point, it's not known if any of the new deaths were a result of the Delta variant. Sonoma County has seen more than 320 people die from COVID-19. And despite some of the recent concerns surrounding the virus, Dr. Mace says there are no plans to reestablish health orders. Reporting live in the newsroom, Dan Thorne, KRON 4 News.